Their bones literally glowed in the dark from radioactive poison. In 1917, hundreds of young women worked at radium dial factories across America, painting watch faces with glowing radium paint. They were told to lick their brushes to create fine points for precision work. The radium was marketed as healthy, even magical. By 1922, workers at the United States Radium Corporation began falling mysteriously ill. Their teeth fell out, their jaws crumbled, and their bones fractured spontaneously. Company doctors blamed everything from syphilis to poor hygiene, refusing to acknowledge radium poisoning. In 1928, 5 dying women sued the Radium Corporation in a landmark case. Grace Fryer, Catherine Schaub, and 3 others fought a 2-year legal battle while their bodies deteriorated. The company spent more money on lawyers than worker compensation, claiming radium was harmless. The executives and scientists at US Radium knew radium was deadly years before the lawsuits. They used lead screens and tongs when handling radium themselves, while telling female workers it was safe to ingest. The company even hired fake doctors to examine workers and declare them healthy. These brave women's sacrifice created modern workplace safety laws and informed consent in medicine. Subscribe for more forgotten history that changed the world.